y'all, welcome back, y'all. It's your girl Paris back with another video. With that being said, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. Get this video to at least 100 likes. And with that being said, y'all, today's video is we're gonna be doing the unboxing of my New Balance shoes, y'all. Then let me just tell y'all, this is my first pair of New Balances. So that's it. That's being said, let's get into it. New Balances, y'all. This is a size 6.5. These are men's. I'm a 6.5 in men's, y'all. But in women's, I'm a size 8. So yeah. So let's unbox, y'all. Let's see. Don't worry, y'all. The shoes did not come like this. I did these. I taught them myself because I wanted to try them on to see if they fit. Because, y'all, these are my first pair. So, I was like, dang, what size should I get? Should I get a 6.5 boot? And women's, I'm usually an 8. So, I just went with a 6.5 because I'm a 6.5 in Jordans too, y'all. Okay. Let's try them on. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the shoes. Let me move y'all up a little bit so y'all can see them. Rate these shoes 1 out of 10, y'all, in the comments. These are cute, y'all. Okay, period. For my first pair. Now she go my stuff. Now she go my shirt and my jeans. Hey, okay. So I recommend y'all, if y'all ever get New Balances and y'all are women, but it's a men's shoe. If you are an 8 like I am in women's, I recommend you get a 6.5. That's what I recommend if you're getting New Balances. Cause y'all, these actually was my first pair. So, and I rate these a 10 out of 10. So y'all, I'm going to be posting a video where I pair with some clothes. So be looking out for that video as well too. And if you would like to donate to the channel, make sure you do below. My cash out will be on my channel page, and it will be in the description down below. And social will be my IG and my TikTok, so make sure you go follow both of those. And again, get this video to at least 100 likes. Oh, y'all, and my wig, period. I got this for Christmas, y'all. If y'all didn't go see what I got for Christmas, the 2023 video, go watch that too. And y'all, we also got a couple videos coming out today. We got a unboxing of Toomey. We got an Amazon package. And y'all, we got a Shein video coming for y'all tomorrow. So be looking out for that too as well. Let's see what else. Oh yeah. These cute, y'all. Oh, y'all, the colors are purple and gray, y'all. Now, if y'all don't know me, y'all know I love me some purple and gray. That's the only thing you probably see me wear. If I'm not wearing black, I'm wearing purple or gray. So purple or gray is one of my favorite colors. But I wear blacks too, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, these shoes are cute, y'all. Ooh. Y'all let me know what y'all rate these shoes in the comments and be honest, y'all. I rate these a 10 out of 10, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, y'all, this is the box that came in, the New Balances. Y'all, these are men. They're 6.5. So, y'all, I appreciate y'all. Watching my videos. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. This is the end of the video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Get this video to 100 likes again. Make sure you comment down below what y'all rate the shoes. And y'all, period. Hey, red, period. Comment down below what you rate the shoes, y'all. Make sure you share the video with everybody. Tell everybody what we're doing over here on the channel. And y'all, we're gonna be start doing mukbangs. Oh, and y'all haven't seen the video that I did put in my my desk, well, not my desk, but my table together for my mukbangs. Make sure you go watch that video too, y'all. Y'all can find it on my channel page. And if you would like to donate to the channel, my cash out will be in the description down below or on my channel page as well too in the description. Get this, like, period. And y'all, this is the end of the video. It's your girl Paris, and until next time, bye.